Today we're taking a look at a pretty awesome lighting accessory from SmallRig. This is the SmallRig RC220B Pro, a compact yet powerful bicolor light that comes with a built-in Vmount plate. So this is a mid-sized light and it might be one of the best lights you can carry with you. This currently retails for $329, but if you buy it right now you can get it with a 20% discount, and I will leave the link in the description. This cob light comes with a high quality carrying bag. It has a foam insert to protect the light and accessories. Each item has its own molded space, ensuring everything fits securely and stays organized. The bag features a convenient carry handle along with a shoulder strap for a more convenient way to carry it when your hands are full. There's also a front zipper pocket which is perfect for storing cables and other small thin accessories. SmallRig has built a strong reputation for producing durable, reliable gear, and the RC220B Pro is no exception. Crafted from high quality aluminum alloy, it's lightweight yet durable for regular use. This cob light features a triple layer optical system that ensures a consistent uniform beam, delivering exceptional color accuracy with a CRI of 95+ and a TLCI of 96+. For size comparison, the RC220B Pro is 24% smaller than the previous RC220D model. Now I don't have that light, but I do own the 120B light and you can see how much smaller it is. One feature that I really like is the built-in handle, which makes it easy to adjust and move the light around. While I would have preferred the handle to be on the top section, it's still functional as it is. Plus it would have been in the way of inserting the battery if the handle was on the top section. The light also features an adjustable angle lever with a telescopic design and a built-in shock absorbing damping system. So when you go to loosening it up, the light won't fall abruptly, making angle adjustment smooth and effortless. I really like this design choice because it prevents my softbox from getting crushed every time I go to adjust it. So when I go to angle this downwards and grab the handle in this position, my knuckles end up hitting the back of the Vmount adapter, and to avoid scraping my knuckles, I have to switch to an underhand grip instead. It's not a big deal, it's just something that I thought was worth mentioning. There's also a softbox hole on the side here where you can mount your umbrella on. This cob light has the Bones mount receiver in the front so you can attach modifiers like softboxes and reflectors without needing any additional attachments. This actually comes with the traditional 7-inch reflector that has a faceted design inside, which is great at increasing your light output. On the right side you'll find a small screen with two dials, one for adjusting the light intensity and another for controlling the color temperature. With a range of 2700 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin, it's versatile enough to suit most lighting conditions that you encounter during your shoot. There's also a reset button and a mode button to switch between various lighting effects. These effects include a flickering light bulb that's about to go out, a lightning flash, pulsating, a camera flash, a campfire glow, and even a strobe effect. However, I won't show the strobe effect one out of consideration for anyone sensitive to flashing lights. The best feature of this light is its built-in Vmount plate on the back, allowing you to directly attach your Vmount battery for power. This looks really clean since you don't have any cables dangling from anywhere. This is convenient and great for those of you that already have multiple Vmount batteries, as it provides hours of continuous use. I personally have 6 Vmount batteries, so I'm all set for an entire day of shooting. If you prefer a wired solution, you can also power the light with the included power cable, which is impressively long at 19.7 feet. The best part is that there's no bulky power brick to worry about. It's been integrated in the Vmount power adapter. Simply slide the adapter into the Vmount slot until it locks, then plug in the power cable and you're good to go. I really like this because it makes it so easy to mount this high up on a tripod or ceiling without having to deal with the power inverter box dangling. Now there's also a third option to power this. For those of you that don't have any Vmount batteries but do have some MPF batteries lying around, you will be able to use them if you purchase the Vmount to MPF adapter. I'm not sure when SmallRig will have this available for sale on their website, but it should be out soon. Something important to keep in mind is that if you're using a Vmount battery with a voltage below 20 volts and rated at 150 watts or lower, the light will be limited to a maximum of 68% power. Now MPF batteries won't be able to provide full power as they don't output more than 20 volts. To achieve full power, you'll need a Vmount battery with a minimum of 20 volts and a 200 watt output. Once the voltage falls below 20 volts, you will again be limited to the 68% power. Unfortunately for me, none of my Vmount batteries are rated for 20 volts, so they're not able to power this to full power. SmallRig's new VB212 mini Vmount battery should be able to run the light at full power, though I don't have one to confirm the exact runtime. My guess is around 40 minutes. Another fantastic feature is the cooling system. The built-in fan and heatsink work seamlessly to regulate the temperature, ensuring quiet operation. According to SmallRig, when the light operates at 20% power, it should enter silent mode with the fans completely stopping. However, after using this for 1 month, I have noticed that the fans continue spinning even at 1% power. That said, they remain extremely quiet, so it's not a deal breaker. It's possible that the fan stopped briefly and I just haven't noticed it. At 50% power, the noise level is approximately 10 to 15 decibels, so it's barely audible. Even at full load with 100% power, the noise level only reaches about 30 decibels, which is impressively quiet for this kind of setup. So this is a great light to pack with you for filming a product review, shooting interviews, or creating a cinematic B-roll, since it won't be very noisy. Overall, the SmallRig RC220B Pro has convinced me to swap out my current portable lights for more of these ones. I love the compact design and the built-in Vmount integration. If you're considering getting a new light, I highly recommend giving this one a try.